compound wall in Ottapalam. This has become a new topic to talk in Ottapalam. So let's listen to the architect who designed what's behind this compound wall.
Yeah, hi. So this box house 3, how that concept evolved, what was the role of site, and then how we have controlled the south sun, and how we made sure all lights are there is no direct sunlight which is coming inside, and then how it is falling all the light in place which is optimum. So those things, how the concept evolved from the beginning, that's what we are discussing right now here. Yeah, so this box house 3 client who came in 2017 to us. It was his father's dream to do a house which is for everybody in their family. So total number of requirements was 5 bedroom and family living and a formal living, and we assumed 10 people in that house. So right now there are like 7 people, and 3 more people will be coming after marriage. So for that 10 people, we calculated what should be the size of a formal area and the family living area, all those, and their guests, the dining, kitchen, all that. It's according to the number of people and their how the way, the lifestyle, how they live. So here the challenging thing was like client is really interested to give all freedom to architect. So at the same time, some of the other things was keep on coming in our way. So that we took lot of effort to convince client, to make him understand on how it is important, controlling the direct sunlight from south, and the reasons why we have given the spaces in certain way, how we are giving the privacy in different bedrooms, and it's like zones, we have formal and family living, dining, kitchen, and then to the bedrooms. It's like it's a proper spatial planning. So many times we got stuck in between during the process. Sometimes client will not get understand, how it is happening, and maybe some external people confuse our clients. Those things was there, but still to certain point client was given all the trust to us. So in that way we are given him delivered a good design which is suitable for him. So what I want to share here to the younger architects and other viewers, that when we design something, it is very important to understand what is that client exactly looking for, and everything matters. Everything is matter. The site, climate condition. If there is any tree, you definitely should take care of the trees, and that microclimate, tree can make microclimate. So not only that, here in this project we have used solar panels as well, and how to control the wind by creating the mountain. We have directed the wind through inside, the formal living and family living areas, and the traffic plan, and then you will be seeing the privacy really matter. So that was another thing in this project. Yeah, so this box house 3 site was a long site Okay, so we divided into three, and this center portion we have used for the villa. This is backyard and this is front yard, and this is south facing, north, east and west, and here we have the road. So we have the sun part this way, and here we have the south facing. So we have to protect the south sun from here itself. So what we did is we created a sun protection wall and couple of mounts before the house. So these buffers will protect the entire house from south sun. This client actually needs two formal living. So what we did, we created one formal living with foyer, and we have a dining plus family living all around, and you have a space all around. You can walk, sit, stand, spend, nicely spend. And here, this one corridor, we have a staircase, and we have a kitchen and the work area, which is going this way. Here is other dress washing area, and this is a balcony, deck to the outside, and then we have rooms on this side. This is the path which leads everywhere. So yeah, this we are calling as center path in Mars. And when it comes to first floor, we have the staircase, then you will come into a hall, and then a wonderful open terrace where you can have a party, and then you have a courtyard here, and then two bedrooms and another open terrace. Bedroom, and then from here, from the bedrooms, you get a nice garden view. And the same way, when it comes to the formal living, all around you have protection wall here which stop direct hitting sun. Even around the formal living you have mount which direct the wind to inside. And here as well we have a nice entrance, and here also we have louvers which gives you the nice breathe inside, this way, this way, this way, and here as well you will get a nice breath. And then one important thing is there is in this entire site there is a tree here, couple of trees here. All this we have kept as it is, and we have done the master plan around it, dropping off, then the parking, and then coming back. All these areas for the open parking, then this is cover parking. So we worked on the traffic as well, how to get that. So this is how the concept evolved.
Design is an intelligence made visible. The architect says, through a design, there are a lot of things to convey to others. Let's listen to it.
When you see our older generation, the history, you will be seeing that it's inventing. They will be keep on inventing something new. They are working hard, and then they are contributing, finding things, creating new materials. So what they have found in their lifespan, maybe that's what we are using right now as materials, even the concrete buildings, all this house concept, everything. So what I believe that we have to invent something new. We have to play that role as well, and then contribute to the next generation. So that is very important. That's what I feel, and that's why we are trying to implement something new in every design here.
That's right. This is something really that we have to look into. Now let's see what architect Mahendra Mohan want to share with us.
Pass information to the next generation, and we have to implement new techniques. We have to create something new. Like in this Box House 3, what we have created is how to control the light by using some techniques like some south wall, and we're making sure that how we controlling the light. This is not directly hitting. So, and the spatial planning, those things which I am not seeing it as it's just my thing or our team's thing here, and we don't want to share. No, it's not like that. I like to share everything, those whatever we found while designing, what are the things which is the secrets or whatever it is. I like to share with people so that it will add value while they design. So I feel that it is very important to share to the younger generation or to the next generation. We have to dedicate something for them. We have to give the information, what and all we can contribute for them. So that's what. That's why we are sharing this, explaining this design to the people.
All visited. Everyone, വന്നവരെല്ലാവരും ഡിസൈൻ എല്ലാം അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഒരു പുതിയ ഡിസൈൻ ആണല്ലോ, സംതിങ് ന്യൂ. ഇവൻ ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യുന്നല്ല, ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഹാപ്പി തന്നെയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പ്രശ്നങ്ങളൊന്നും പറയാനൊന്നുമില്ല. എല്ലാത്തിലും 5 സ്റ്റാർ കൊടുത്ത്